Hello, hello. Hi, sixth grade. How are you today? I hope you guys doing good at home. And thanks for watching this video. And I'm going to explain what you need to do this week. Okay, so we're gonna work in this video about pronunciation lab. We need to know these words. Okay, so please repeat with the audio. And if you use this digital book, you can go and track this page, and then so you can repeat and repeat. So that is the best way to learn something. Okay, repeat it something and practice it every day. Okay, so please let's listen.
Listen and repeat. Internet. I've been surfing the internet a lot. Internet. Tablet. My parents bought me a new tablet. Tablet. I'm thrilled my parents finally gave me permission to use it. Thrilled. Camera. We use the camera to say hi in person. Camera. Gloomy. The weather was kind of gloomy. Gloomy. Online. I have never played video games online. Online. Text message. Got a text message from Janice. Text message. Cartoons. I watched a lot of cartoons online. Cartoons.
Okay, what do you need to do in this page? This is the page 194. So what are you going to do in this part? It says write the word from the list next to its definition. So it is definition. You need to find out drawing that represents someone or something. I'm going to give you the first one. So what do you think it is? Drawing that represents someone or something. So that means cartoons. And feeling great, happy, or joyful. So you need to find out what is that, what words it is the definition of one of this list of words. And the number 3, it says device for taking photographs or video. Okay, so you need to find out the definition for its words. Okay, so let's do this short digital connection game, and please try to pay attention and let's guess. So it says right here, we're going to match. It says computer network that provides all kind of information. What does that mean? Computer network that provides. What do you think it is? You guys think computer network that provides all kinds of information. What do you think it is? You think it's online, internet, or what do you think? No, see? Not that one. So, computer network that provides all kind of information. You think it's this one? No one. So what do you think it is? Which ones? You think it's internet? Yes, internet, computer network that provides all kinds of information that provides. So you need to know this one. Okay? Pay attention on this because you're going to use on page 194. Feeling or sad or depressed. What do you think it is? What do you think? You think it is feeling sad or depressed? You think it is blooming or camera? Feeling sad or depressed? What do you think? I think thrill. No, see, no, that one. So what do you think it is? Feeling sad or depressed. You think it's gloomy? Yeah, gloomy. Yeah. Being connected to the internet or the World Wide Web. What do you think it is? Being connected to the internet, to the World Wide Web. You think it's online? Let's try. Yes, good job. A microcomputer, you can carry it around it with you. So this is very easy. So which one do you think it is? Computer, you can carry it around with you. It is a small device that you can carry with you. Yeah, tablet. Yes, good job, tablet. Device for taking photographs or video. Okay, what do you think it is? You think it is internet? Trail? Device for taking photographs or video. Camera. Yeah, good job. Drawing that represents someone or something. What do you think it is? Drawings that represent someone or something. What do you think it is? Cartoons. Yes, good job. Message sent and received by computer or phone. What do you think it is? You think it is text message or trail? Message sent and received by computer or phone. Yeah. See, text message. That's very easy. Feeling great, happy, or joyful. What do you think it is? Feeling great, happy, or joyful. Yeah, trill. Good job. So take a look this one. So this one, you're going to use it. It says congratulations for you because you did. Okay, drawing that represents someone or something. See, cartoons. Feeling great, happy, or joyful. Trill. Device for taking photographs or video. Camera. See, please read this one because you're going to need it. You need it, this one, to do page 194. Okay. So we're gonna go on the next page. We're gonna go on the next page. Okay, so when you finish this page, 194, you need to go on page 200. Which page? 200, 200. So you need to go on that page, 200. So what are you gonna do in here on page 200? Page 200, what are you gonna do in this? See this word? It is the same that we saw a few minutes ago. So what does that mean? See? What are you going to do in this part? You need to write a sentences with each of the words. Okay, you need to write one sentence for cartoon, one for tablet, one for text message. I'm going to give you a share of one of those one. Text message. I always send a text message to my sister. That is a sentence. Remember, at the end of the sentences, you need to put the period, okay? Don't forget that one. Period, it means this one, okay? At the end of the sentences. And what are you going to do next? It says use the number code to find each word. Write the missing word. So what do you need to do? What do you need to do? So this one, code, this one, you see the letters and numbers. So what are you going to do? The number one, it says cartoon. So what are you going to do? So you need to find out. And what do you need to do? It says, and write the missing words. What does that mean? Missing words. You need to write 2 words in here. Missing word. If you see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 words right here. And we have 8. So 2 words, it's missing. So you need to write those words in this part. So how are you going to do this? You need to find out the code. Number 3. In the number 1, number 3, you go. Number 3, letter C. Number 1, letter A. Number 18, go find the 18 right here. And letter R. And go number 5, letter T. Number 2, letter O. Number 2, 2O. So 17 and 14 S. So what does that mean? Cartoons. See? And you need to write those words right here. You need to find out and write the missing words in this part. Okay? So what is the next things you need to do? You need to go on page 202. Okay, 202. Please go. What are you going to do in this part? 202. You see this part? It says Sorry, it says 202. Okay, page 202. Okay, this one right here. What are you gonna do? It is about your personal. Create your own social network profile. So your face. What does that mean? Your face. You need to find a picture about you and paste it in this part. You can draw it, but you need to do it beautiful. It is your face, your personal. Okay? And name. Remember, in this part, you need to write your name, your full name. When I say your full name, you need to write your name and your last name. And basic information, age. How old are you? You need to write how old. Age, maybe 12 years old, 11 years old, 13 years old. And gender, what does that mean, gender? So gender, it means the sex, both of sex, maybe female or male. So if you're a girl, write female. If you're a boy, write male, okay? And birthday, your birthday. Remember, you need to write it down. The day, months, and year. Your birthday. Looking for. What are you interested for? What are you looking for in this in the network side? So looking for help for my homework, or maybe you need to know that one. And personal information. Let's take a look this one. So we have an example right here, but please, it has to be about yourself. Okay, so listen, we have an example right here. Okay. Okay, this one on page 1, I'm sorry, 199. See this information? So it is about Patrick. So see, age, 12 years old. Gender, male, because he's a boy. Birthday, February 22nd. Looking for cool friends. What are you looking for? Interesting hobbies, see? He likes to play video games, surf in the web, playing hockey, and chatting online with my friends and family. Favorite TV shows. What is your favorite? You need to write at least 3. Okay, favorite music, at least 3 songs: pop, rock, hip, or electronic music. Favorite music. About me, and this is about you. You can write it similar like this. I am in 6th grade, and I am your name, your full name. And next year I will be in junior high school. I enjoy reading science fiction books. Okay, so please, like that, you need to do the page. Okay, and the last thing you need to do, it is go on page 204, this one right here. So what are you going to do in here? You need to read, or you can please find the answer in this reading and write it out in this part. Okay, find down. It says, read the text again, answer the question. What will computers in the future? The answer, it is in this reading. Okay. Okay, so I hope this video will help you to understand what you need to do for this week. So please, thanks a lot. When you finish to do this, please send me the pictures or photos and in the email of your grade. Don't forget, because it is for Friday. Okay, thanks a lot, guys, and see you next time.